And welcome back to A Cozy Lifestyle with Clarissa Coward. Today's video is a collaboration. It's a collab with Craft Today with Rita Renee, and it's Thrifted to Give It. And the concept for this collab was that we had to go to a thrift store, we had to find something that we were definitely going to thrift, but we were either going to upcycle it or DIY it and then gift it to someone else, or upcycle it, DIY it, and gift it to ourselves, or leave it as it is and give it to someone else or to ourselves. Simple, yeah? I think so. And a lot of fun as well. My husband and I happened to be at the beach last week, and of course we hit some thrift stores, and I found some really good deals. I'm looking for the footage so I can share that with you, because I wanted to take you guys especially into one of them. It was gorgeous, and I only had my phone with me and I can't seem to find it, but I haven't given up yet because I did download, so now I'm checking my computer, so stay tuned for that if I can find that footage. But at any rate, for today's collab, I found a piece that I really want to share with you. Actually, I found several, and I had a hard decision to make, deciding which ones to share with you this time for this collab, but I chose one. So if you're new here, I want to say welcome. If you are interested in DIYing, upcycling, shopping hauls, cooking, and just doing everything to live your best life in your home, then you are in the right place, because that's exactly what we do here, and we do it on a budget. So with that said, we're going to jump right in to the video. So come on in and let's get started. Okay, so what did I choose to share? So here it is. It is a teapot. It is in perfect condition. It's an off-white, which goes wonderfully with my modern farmhouse theme, but it has little specks in it. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see the little specks in it? At one point I thought, well, I'll just paint it, but I'm not, because it's so pretty and it's perfect once it's cleaned up. And it came from one of those consignment shops where everything is kind of clean and everything anyway. But you're going to run it through the dishwasher and that kind of thing. But look, not a scratch, not a crack, not a scar. It's just perfect. And you guys, if you follow me on my social media, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and I hope you do, it's at A Cozy Lifestyle with Clarissa Coward, or Clarissa Coward. You can find me either way. You'll know that I'm a tea drinker, not really a coffee drinker. So this is just perfect. I could actually use this to decorate with, or I could actually use it. It was $3, as you can see here, but we happened in on a Wednesday where it was half price, so I paid $1.50 for this, and I love it. I don't think I'm going to do anything to it except clean it up and either decorate with it or actually put some tea in it. And that's my thrift to gift. Now what I may do, because I'm keeping this, I'm gifting this to myself, and I'm looking around, if I decide to use it for decor, what I will do is gift a piece of decor to someone else. I have a piece here that my daughter has been begging me for, and I wasn't ready to part with it at that time. But I think I can replace that piece with this piece and gift her another teapot that I have. So I think that's what I'm going to do. So that's my contribution. This beautiful teapot, it's an off-white, it's got the spots, and I am in love with it. I hope you like it too. So that's my thrift to gift. I hope you have enjoyed my choice. Let me know in the comments below, are you a tea drinker or a coffee drinker? Do you collect teapots, or do you have a Keurig and you just kind of stick with that? Just let me know in the comments below. I'll be interested to know. So with that said, I'll say again, if you're not subscribed to my channel already, hit that subscribe button below. It won't cost you anything. It's free, it's free, it's free. And if you subscribe, also hit the bell that's next to it. And that way you'll be notified of all upcoming content when I upload new videos. Also, like, share, and comment my video. It really does help my channel, and it is so appreciated. Do know that. Share it with your friends, someone that you think that may be interested in the type of content that we do here. And if you're one of my ride or die cozy lifestylers, you know how I feel about you. I love you, I love you, and I love you. And I'm so glad that you're on this journey with me. So again, follow me on social media, and I'm loving this teapot, guys. I am just loving it. I want to thank you for watching my video. Also, I will have, I don't want to leave without saying this, I will have a link below for the playlist, and I will also have a link below for Rita Renee's YouTube channel as well. She does some of the best things over there. She's so very creative, and I know if you're here, you've heard of her, and if you haven't, I don't know why. She is absolutely wonderful, and this is a great collab that she does on occasion, and I'm so glad to be a part of it. So check the description box below for a link to her YouTube channel. Be sure to go over there, and when you do, tell her I sent you, okay? I'd appreciate that. And also, check out the playlist, because there are going to be lots of other thrifted gifts, and some people will have things that they're actually going to upcycle, so that'll give you some incentive and some creativity ideas as well. So make sure you do that. And with that said, I am going to leave you the way that I always do, with hugs and blessings. And I'm going to remind you to find and remain in your own special element. Remember to follow me on my social media, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.
You.